navigate to WA Walmart Supercenter Gurnee. And then we get the press and hold. So you tell the car where you want to go. And then you push the button. Push that button. Yeah, you know what? That's a good point. That's a much better ad for push that button. A much more practical reason to push that button than putting the car into crab mode. Tesla should steal that ad campaign. Push that button. So, I could just see the ad campaign now. For a Chevy, it's push that button and it goes into crab mode. Like, who gives a shit? And then for FSD, it's push that button and the car drives itself. There, that's the ad right there. Okay, so it just backed out of the driveway without any problems. Apparently the snow has melted enough. So this is a real world trip. A husband going out on Christmas Eve to buy his wife a Christmas present because he forgot to buy his wife an additional Christmas present. So this is something that almost every husband's been through at least once. They've been married long enough. Difficult aspect of using full self-driving with FSD 13 is actually what do you do with your hands? There's nothing to do. They need like a joystick on the center console. That would be perfect. Have a joystick on the center console, right where the little hatch thing is here, and this way you could just give subtle hints to FSD. So if it's not going fast enough, you could push the joystick forward a little bit. It's going too slow, you can pull it back. This would be a great thing for the guys with the sexy buttons to have like a, well, I was going to say sexy joystick, but that doesn't sound appropriate. Yeah, okay. There's no way to have those two words in the same sentence. It doesn't sound wrong. So a joystick that works with the commander. That sounds weird too. Okay, so anyway, a joystick that you could use to speed up, slow down. And let's see, if you turn left and right, I guess you could do the modes. Yeah, so that's right. You could probably do the modes. That should be pretty easy to build. Actually, if you bought 4 joystick buttons and took them apart, then just bought a regular joystick, you could probably make that work. That might be a fun project. Shit, I'm in a hurry. Okay, so I'm in hurry mode. Not sure. I must have put that in there yesterday. Oh well, what the hell? I'll go in hurry. I've never tried hurry before. I'm not in a hurry. So it's December 24th. We've got FSD 13.2.2. Although someone said it was 2.2.1. I don't know. Let's see, software. 2.2, yeah. And I have not touched anything. In fact, I didn't touch the steering wheel at all on this whole drive because, yeah, I just pushed the button on the screen and it started going. I think it asked me to push the brake maybe before I started going. But otherwise, since the car has been moving, I haven't touched anything. So one of the reasons I'm doing this drive is because I wanted to experience, well, one, I had to buy my wife a present, and the other is I wanted to experience the Walmart parking lot on, I don't know why it goes this way, on Christmas Eve. It doesn't look like it's too bad. Not crazy yet. So something that's improved significantly with FSD 13 is navigation through parking lots. I'm going to try this same route with my Hardware 3 car and compare it because I'm fairly confident it's not nearly as smooth. Oh, see what it's trying to do here. Oh, is it trying to park? What's it doing? Oh, no, I guess it's just going to go here. Let's see what it does. So we're at our destination.